The mysterious, the macabre, the out of this world. The following are real people. They have real stories, and they've had real encounters. Here tonight on Newsworthy, two words and two question marks.
He's alive! Have you checked the children? Get out!
Hello, and welcome to Encounters. In 2024, the legend of Bigfoot continues to captivate the imagination of people all across North America, especially as sightings and new reports continue to surface. Whether it's in the dense forest of the Pacific Northwest or the remote wilderness of the Appalachian Mountains, the elusive creature remains the subject of fascination, debate, and mystery. Today, we take a look at the most notable Bigfoot sightings of the year and explore why the interest in the cryptid is higher than ever. While reports of sightings of Bigfoot have been reported for centuries, 2024 appears to be a particularly active year for those who believe in the creature's existence, myself included. For eyewitness reports to alleged photographic and video evidence, this year has seen a noticeable uptick in encounters. One of the most high profile sightings occurred in June when a hiker in Washington state reported seeing a large ape like figure crossing a remote trail in the Olympic National Park. The witness, who was traveling alone, described the creature as being approximately 8 foot tall with dark, matted hair. A few days later, similar reports emerged from other hikers in the same area, further fueling speculation that Bigfoot may be roaming the dense forest of the Pacific Northwest. In the Appalachian Mountains, another series of sightings were reported throughout the summer. Local residents and tourists alike have claimed to have seen a large bipedal figure moving swiftly through the woods. These reports, mostly coming from West Virginia and my own state of eastern Kentucky, included several instances of footprints being found along rural hiking trails. Some of these footprints were cast by researchers, and while they remain inconclusive, they have added to the growing body of evidence surrounding Bigfoot sightings in the region. One of the defining features of Bigfoot sightings in 2024 is the role of technology. While eyewitness testimony remains a cornerstone of the cryptid's lore, social media and smartphone technology have become integral in how these sightings are shared and analyzed. In the past year, numerous videos claiming to show or claiming to show Bigfoot have been uploaded to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Some videos show grainy footage of a large figure walking through the trees, while others claim to show mysterious sounds or vocalizations. While many of these videos are easily dismissed and debunked as hoaxes or misidentifications, a growing number of people are starting to take them seriously. In particular, the analysis of one widely circulated video from the Sierra Nevada mountains in California, released in February of 2024, has sparked intense debate among cryptozoologists and skeptics alike. The video shows a shadowy figure moving through the woods, and some were suggesting it could just be a human in a suit or an unknown creature entirely. One noteworthy development this year is the increasing use of drones and thermal imaging technology being used by researchers. With drones providing a bird's eye view of remote areas and thermal cameras revealing heat signatures that might otherwise be missed, investigators are hoping to capture concrete evidence of Bigfoot's existence. In the forest of Oregon and British Columbia, several teams have been deployed with such technologies in an attempt to track the creature's movements. Though the results have been inconclusive so far, the application of another one of these advanced tools marks a new frontier in Bigfoot research. As sightings continue to surface, Bigfoot enthusiasts are developing new theories to explain the creature's behavior, origins, and existence. One of the most discussed theories of the year revolves around the idea that Bigfoot could be a form of undiscovered primate or a relic population of ancient hominids, such as the Neanderthals, that has managed to survive in isolated regions. In 2024, a number of experts in the field of cryptozoology has suggested that Bigfoot might be more intelligent than previous thought. Some argue that the creature's elusive nature could be a result of its advanced survival instincts, allowing it to remain hidden from human detection despite decades of hunting and exploration. This theory is bolstered by reports of witnesses who describe Bigfoot as exhibiting behaviors that suggest problem solving abilities and social organization. On the other hand, skeptics continue to argue that the majority of Bigfoot sightings are the result of misidentifications, hoaxes, or psychiatric or psychological phenomenon such as pareidolia, where people see patterns or faces in an ambiguous shapes. Experts in wildlife biology also point out that while North America is home to many large animals, there is little biological evidence to support the existence of a giant undiscovered ape living in the wild. While the fascination with Bigfoot endures despite lack of conclusive evidence, the Bigfoot phenomenon does in fact endure, and the interest in the creature only seems to be growing. There are several reasons for this. One of the biggest ones is the thought of an undiscovered species living in the vast, unexplored wilderness. It speaks to the human desire for mystery and adventure. The possibility that such a creature exists in the remote corners of North America taps into a primal curiosity about the unknown. Moreover, Bigfoot has become an integral part of local cultures and traditions, particularly in regions of the Pacific Northwest, where the creature has become a symbol of the untamed wilderness. Annual Bigfoot festivals, conferences, and expeditions have only contributed to the mythos that surround the creature, keeping its legend alive and thriving in the 21st century. In 2024, Bigfoot remains more than just a cryptid. It is a cultural touchstone. Whether people view it as a serious mystery to be solved or simply a fascinating piece of folklore, the enduring appeal of Bigfoot seems to be set to last for generations to come. And as 2024 comes to a close, it's clear that Bigfoot continues to be part of the cultural landscape. The ongoing sightings, the advent of new technologies, and the continued theories about the creature's origins all contribute to keeping the mystery alive. Whether or not definitive proof will ever be found remains uncertain, but the legend of Bigfoot will undoubtedly remain an enduring subject of fascination. I say all of that to say thank you for an entire first season of Encounters. We've had some really stellar interviews. We plan to have a megaton more interviews this second season. It started last week with Matt talking about the dog man. We have multiple interviews lined up and ready to go for this next season. We hope that you'll be with us throughout the whole thing. And if you enjoy what the content is, please like and share and tell all your friends. We'd love to have them on board too. Most importantly, if you've had an encounter, please reach out to us at newsworthywithstephenjerry@gmail.com. We'd love to have you on the program and let the world know all about your encounter. Also, just a little bit of news that we're going to drop for only our encounter fans this week. We have been accepted to be a part of the Bigfoot Festival in Stanton, Kentucky at the Red River Gorge Bigfoot Fest That is May 31st, 2025. If you like the show, you want to come say hi to me, Jerry, or Brett, we'll all be there and we will be interviewing people on the spot. We'd love to see you. Love to shake your hand, give you some free swag. So come check us out. The Red River Gorge Bigfoot Festival 2025. It's May 31st, rain or shine. And as always, thank you very much for tuning in to Encounters. And Jerry, if you can't see the light,
Be the light.